My name is Valerie Coates, and I am from Tyler, Texas. I had RK surgery about 25 years ago, and had 20/20 vision basically up until 2 or 3 years ago, and it was very frustrating because I didn't like that I couldn't see anything in the room. You know, I felt dizzy and in a daze a lot of times, and was going back and forth, glasses to head, sunglasses, reading glasses, which was very frustrating. And so I did go to 2 doctors in the Tyler and the Dallas area. One told me that they maybe could go ahead and do early cataract surgery and do a lens and then follow up with laser, but he didn't feel real confident with that, and I left there not feeling confident. I got a second opinion in Dallas, and he basically said he didn't want to do anything. He said RK patients have too many fluctuations. He didn't feel like he could get me to where I wanted to, and said basically I would have to live with it, which I pretty much left there in tears. And I actually went straight to the parking lot after that visit and just started Googling doctors that help you with RK and correct RK surgery. And Dr. Gulani came up, and anyway, I spent the next probably a month or two just reading through his website and over reviews, watching videos, and I felt confident that I wanted to talk to him. Anyway, my first visit was a consultation over the phone. I didn't have to leave Texas. He was able to get all my records that I had and pretty much was able to tell me on the phone that he knew he could help me. So I made the arrangements to come over here, and I spent a week here basically coming in for appointments, really to, from what I understood, to check my vision different times of the day to see if there were fluctuations, to help him know what he needed to do to get me where I wanted to be. And honestly, I felt like I was the only patient here. I never saw anyone else really, so that was pretty cool, feeling like I was getting that personal one-on-one experience. Makes you feel very comfortable. Everybody in the office did. They become family. But anyway, the morning of the surgery, I showed up and really maybe took about 5 minutes, but by the end, it was amazing how I was looking into the light, and by the end of the 5-minute surgery, I could see pretty clearly the light that I was looking into, which was pretty cool. And anyway, basically I left the office seeing, and I can't use my glasses anymore. I can't see out of them anymore, which is a good thing. But anyway, no pain, just went back to my hotel room, slept basically for 24 hours, and back here the next day for a post-op, and everything's looking great, and I'm actually going to hop on a plane tonight and go back to Texas. So it's a miracle, and I'm very pleased and very excited.
I'm happy.
So
I'm just so happy for her because I know how frustrated she was, and it isn't very pleasant not to be able to see the beautiful world around you and your children, and
you take your vision for granted.
You do
until it happens.
So we're just very, very happy.